Los Angeles Reuters Olive Garden parent Darden Restaurants Inc DRI.N said on Tuesday it expects the negative effects on sales and earnings per share from Hurricane Irma to be about double that of Hurricane Harvey. Harvey slammed into the U.S. Gulf Coast in the final days of Darden's fiscal first quarter ended August 27, while Irma first hit the United States on September 10. Harvey reduced Darden's first quarter same-store sales by about 30 basis points and its earnings per share by 1.5 cents versus what was expected before that storm, Darden Chief Financial Officer Rick Cardenas said on a conference call with analysts. Cardenas said he expected the financial hit from Hurricane Irma, which struck just weeks later, to be roughly twice that of Harvey. Darden reiterated its full-year EPS forecast of $4.38 to $4.50, saying cost cuts and other factors would offset the impact from the storms. Orlando-based Darden, which also owns the Yard House, Capitol Grill, Longhorn Steakhouse and Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen chains, was the first major restaurant company to report on financial damage from Harvey, which lashed Texas and Louisiana, and Irma, which battered Puerto Rico and the southeastern United States. Analysts estimated that 15% or more of Darden's 1,700-plus restaurants had their business interrupted by the hurricanes. Brinker International Incorporated Eat.N and Darden had the highest exposure to the storms, while Starbucks Corporation SBUX.O had the lowest, Bernstein analyst Sarah Senator said in a recent client note. The devastating hurricanes pose a significant threat to already weak restaurant trends, consulting firm Pentelect said in a recent report. Bonnie Riggs, a restaurant analyst with the NPD Group's food service division, was more bullish, saying pent-up demand helps restaurant operators quickly recoup losses. Shares in Darden fell 6.1% to $78.09 as it also reported lower than estimated sales for Olive Garden, which accounts for just over 1.5% of total sales. First quarter sales at established Olive Garden restaurants were up 1.9% compared with a year earlier after higher prices helped offset a 0.3% traffic decline. Analysts, on average, expected an increase of 2.7%, according to research firm Consensus Metrics. Overall, Ameristore sales were up 1.7%, excluding results from recently acquired Cheddar's, missing analysts' average estimate for 2.2% gain. Adjusted quarterly earnings were up 12.5% to 99 cents per share, excluding a 4-cent charge from integrating Cheddar's. Total sales increased 12.9% to $1.94 billion. Earnings and revenues were roughly in line with Wall Street expectations. Editing by W. Simon and J. S. Benko or Standards Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.